Good morning, students. Today I discuss about which modal verbs is to need there. The auxiliary is to expresses a discontinued habit. Here's give example. There is to be a house there. There is to be a house there. Second sentence. I used to live there when I was a boy. I used to live there when I was a boy. This sentence shows discontinued habit. Used to as an auxiliary verb is old fashioned and very formal. Today we normally use did, negative sentences or question word. Here is give example. Did you used to swim? Did you used to swim? The auxiliary need denoting necessity or obligation can be conjugated with or without do. When conjugated with do, it has no s and es forms and is used with an infinitive without to, only in negatives and interrogative sentences and in sentence that contain semi-negative words like scarcely and hardly. Here is give example. He need not go. He need not go. It means it is not necessary for him to go. It is not necessary for him to go. Second, need. I write to him. Need. I write to him. It is a negative sentence. I need hardly take his help. I need hardly take his help. Hardly is adverb, it is a negative word. Next, when conjugated with do, need has usual form needs, needed, and is used with the to infinitive. It is commonly used in negative and question. It sometimes occurs in the affirmative also. Here is giving example. Do you need to go now? Do you need to go now? It is interrogative. I don't need to meet him. I don't need to meet him. It is assertive. Negative. One needs to be careful. One needs to be careful. It is a assertive sentence. Here is compare. Need, needn't, and didn't. I didn't need to buy it. I didn't need to buy it. It means it was not necessary for me to buy it, and I didn't buy it. I didn't need to buy it. It means it was not necessary for me to buy it, and I didn't buy it. Second sentence. I needn't have bought it. I needn't have bought it. It means it was necessary for me. It was not necessary for me to buy it, but I bought it. Here is I didn't buy it, but here is I bought it. It is difference between needn't and didn't. The auxiliary dare, be brave enough to, as distinct from The ordinary verb dare, challenge, does not take s in the third person singular present tense. It is generally used in negative and interrogative sentences when conjugated with a do. It is followed by an infinitive with a to. When conjugated when to, it takes an infinitive with or without to after it. Here is example. He dare not take such a step. He dare not take such a step. Here don't use yes. How dare you contradict me? How dare you contradict me? Interrogative sentence. I dared not do it. He dared not do it. Assert negative sentence. He doesn't dare speak to me. He doesn't dare speak to me. Thanks.